Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Center of mass velocity questions look scary, but this one is quick. Read the graph, combine both blocks' velocities, and spot when their average becomes 0. For two blocks of equal mass, the center of mass velocity is just the average of their velocities, so it equals 0 exactly when the two velocities add to 0. At TA, both blocks are moving with equal-sized velocities in opposite directions on the graph, so their sum is 0, and that makes the center of mass velocity 0 too. At TC, the graph again shows equal and opposite velocities for the two equal masses, so their average is 0 there too. Nice! Well done! Options A and C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust the given graph, then check each step carefully.